gentlemen, boys and girls, right now you don't know, say it's a new vlog, it's a new day. And right now, yeah, this is going to come out after the series. Because I'm on set right now and we're about to shoot the series. So we're going to get the vlog here literally after the series. You know what I mean? So this is like a beyond the scene. Because you don't know, we have to say beyond the scene. And right now, I'm just going to show you who they in the building right now.
I can't say behind the scene.
No, you can say it. See the point you there now. Say behind the scene. You know what I mean? We have Aaron in the building right here. You play the best friend role. You know what I mean? So yeah. Hold on. How your name in it again? Hold on there. Oh, my phone there, so I have to go find the phone. You can't change your name there, no. I just put the name there. You don't know we have. I put your name as Jahson, you know.
Jahson, with the splash.
It's splash, yeah. This a brother, yeah? Yo, the man love his splash differently, you know?
Splash is life.
Mirated. Yo, this. Wow. Unstoppable. The I'm showing you what boy that's. So, you gonna keep your name or you gonna change the name? It's an old man name, me right? It man say useless or courage. Yo, me just have to buy this sitting there liquor while because I need space. So me just buy this 5 terabyte. So now me have space me can edit. Alright, me show you the setup. See setup right also. Land there. Fix man, fix. Alright, see set up right there so people you don't know. We have everything set up. We have this galita set up right there so. You see now watch the plate. See laptop here. I never show you laptop on my buy but me I show you it now. See it yeah? Just I realize I never show you. Don't watch this. My niece put on that on it so. Yo, this take me longest to find. Whole day me take to find this. I end up finding it in a Target so. Big up Target.
Show them church funds one. Yeah, Jersey.
Church funds on Jersey. Yeah, what's your name? Milton? So you're going to keep your name Jahson?
Can I use something else one? Superfly.
Superfly? What is under my nose? I'm out. Jordan, Kangal, and church pants.
Bad boy grandfather.
But if we shoot the first scene, we are going to shoot them scene by scene. Like scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. We just have to shoot them scene by scene. So we just have to do the front scene now. And then we just knock them out just like that. And edit them together. We just have to make me shoot them. Now I'm ready to be a whole man. With that cross country all the time, I don't find a cane. You may have a whole man voice, but only when it start recording, you can find it. So Mavis, we're about to scene, we're about to shoot Act 1, scene 1. Good night. How can I help you?
Are you name Leroy?
Who asks in for Leroy?
Lenny? You never asked. Where's it?
I don't be asked.
Yeah, show me how wicked.
We have been shooting drink you can see. Yo, that's so funny. Nobody knows about it, we can use it in the next day. Alright, so you have to me good, right? Now you catch Mr. Jason now.
No.
Come go over more. You just need a reference. Like for sure, so over my shoulder. Yeah, see me good?
Yeah.
Alright, so. Come right there, so. Go there, so?
Yeah, we are say you're clear. All are you clear.
Perfect. You can start record.
Record? Yeah, good night. Are you name Leroy?
What you want with Leroy?
Come, cause I have a story to tell you, man.
Purpose tell who? Bobby. Knock me out really. Alright, when you're ready. So, you tell me the press record because I'm just alright. Oh, how happened?
You know, say you're faint. I'm gonna tell you I'm a father.
Me faint?
Yeah, man.
I think my blood pressure low. Me have to go drink some tea.
I want to look at him, can I make something, you know?
Hold on. So hold on, now which part me faint?
Right in front of you.
Hold on, shit, me not have my glasses. First of all, me not have no rasta picking.
What do you mean?
Hear what me I say to
Why
you.
your dreads?
Come out of my place. Anyway.
You need to set it on your beard.
So right about now, you don't know, so we're there. We just finished.
What you
a Larry name or Larry? Lenny.
Larry?
Leroy.
What you doing?
Leroy. And you have Cutta, aka.
The one I don't want to cut up.
What you saying there last? Tabby?
Tabby.
Jahson ANT, sub the channel.
Yeah.
For all your gaming excitement, all them good stuff.
Yeah. And him do some computer thing too.
Yeah. Must be a computer.
Yeah, we got all that. And then we have.
And Chatterbox. CHATTABAX.
Yeah.
Fuck
Okay.
Wi-Fi there, we just shut them a box.
Yeah, everybody there on YouTube, so make sure say you go and you subscribe and follow everybody. That's a wrap. We just done a wrap shoot episode 1 for the series. You know what I mean? You're not gonna laugh. Why? Me have some bloopers to show them. I got the bloopers them in this. So Leroy.
Unstoppable.
Alright, so that just give me some life. Yo, me just want to say big shout out, blessings and respect to everybody who take the time out of them day for watch Leroy season 1 episode 1. Cause me go do a couple season of it, me go do a couple episode of it. Me just want to say me really and truly appreciate everybody who watch it, everybody who leave a like, and everybody who leave a comment. 100% blessings and respect. Me really and truly appreciate it. Cause me don't tell you, I do it for you, I do it for myself. So together we just do it for me Jesus them. So blessings and respect, big up me Jesus them. Me happy with myself. Cause me actually tell you say yo, me go buy a computer, and me I go do this, and me I go do that, and me I go get a series done for you Saturday, and me I go get it out for you watch 4 o'clock Sunday, and me do that. And now, alright, this Sunday I come, I want to leave it in the comment section. I want to say drop it Sunday or drop it next week. Because this Sunday, a Super Bowl Sunday, so I know all the people are going to focus on the Super Bowl. So I did a plan not for post an episode this Sunday. But if you still want the episode this Sunday, if you still going to support it regardless, I want just say drop it. And I will drop it this Sunday. And I just wait till next week Sunday and drop it. So yeah, the movie come out good. Come out perfect. Me don't have episode 2 right out and everything already. I just with a link up back and shoot it. I want to say blessings and respect to Jahson, blessings and respect to Aaron. You know what I mean? Cutty and the boy Lenny, them kill them scene, and at the first them really are doing any acting like that. So I'm really and truly proud of them. You know what I mean? For take on them role and for execute it the way how them execute it. So I just want to say blessings and respect to them for that. You know what I mean? So the more and more this go on, the more and more I go see better things and I go employ more things. So I go see more people, I go see different faces, I go see new faces, I go see familiar faces. I plan for do a couple things for the vlog, yeah. Tomorrow I did a plan for do some things where we can get some more footage for add to the vlog, but unfortunately, big snowstorm will come tomorrow, so I'm not going to get to do nothing tomorrow. Tomorrow I have to go lock in. Big snowstorm, so we just go add this to the vlog we already have and just put it out and just make gonna get this to watch in a Thursday, yeah. Yeah, so blessings and respect again for everybody who followed out and support yet a next vlog. Cause I tell you no could have anywhere in the world but only the right us watch our next vlog. So blessings and respect. And remember, always like the video and always leave a comment. If I just say big up my Jesus, it really and truly help out the channel. So until next time, Blessings and respect.
Hold on there, before we click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirts, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in.